Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Miss Bernie from Bernie's Way channel. Today I want to share how I put this iHome dash mount together. Now at first I had a few problems, so I want to come on and share with you guys how you will not go through what I went through. Because you're going to watch this video, right? Even after you purchase it. I know, I do the same thing. Look stuff up after I purchase it. Let's get right into this video. Hold on. So this is how it looks, and you can find this at Big Lots. If you don't find it there, you can probably find it online, okay? So we want it to look just like this bottom picture here once we take it out of the box and get ready to put it in on our dashboard. So once you open it up, this is how it's going to look once you take it out of the box. And so this is the back of the cradle part, and then the bottom part. You're wondering, okay, how does that ball get in there? And that's what I was doing. Hold on. All right, guys. So I was wondering, how did the ball get inside there? So first you're going to have to take this off, unscrew it, and just set it to the side. And then you see that? You're going to make sure that it's just like it is on the box, which this is the front and this is the back. Okay, see how it is on the box? All right, so you're going to go ahead and insert it in here. Snap. When you hear that snap, you know you have it. And there goes your 360 car mount. Just like that. Okay, you'll be able to turn it in any direction. And then once you take it outside and put it in your car, you're going to remove the plastic from the bottom. And then whichever area you find on your dashboard that you would like to, utilize this car mount, put it there. Then you're going to take your plastic off. Then you're going to put in that area. And you're going to snap. And that's going to keep it stuck in that area until you remove it, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Bernie showing you how I put my iHome 360 car mount together. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Love you.